Hello everyone, and then welcome to the course on Excel. Okay, so in this course we are going to actually launch the Excel interface, and then I'll take you through how like the Excel interface, certain tools that you might be using. So that said, I'm going to click on the Windows key. Okay, for those using Windows on the keyboard, and then I already have Excel here, but you can still type Excel. Okay, you can just still search for Excel. Okay, and then you click it to launch it. And once it's launched, these are already projects I've already done. Okay, if I click on open, meaning I'm going to have to select projects that I've created in Excel. In this case, we want a new file, so you can click on new or just click on blank workbook. From here, we have the quick customization, let's say two, okay, and then I can add more tools if I want. So let's see. I type something, it activates the undo, so I can click undo or click here to redo. We have some spelling checks. We have the saving icon to save our project, and I can click on this to add. So let's say add more icons here. So I can click on email so that I can easily access it. I can click here to customize more things here. Or better still, I can change this position here to come somewhere here by using this icon, this menu. Okay, so here we have the Excel, so the name of your document. Okay, so if you save your document, so let's try saving. I can use Control S to save, or I can click here to save. Okay, so once that is saved, I can look for the location. So let's say I want it to be on my this PC. Let's say my downloads. And then I'm going to give my project a name. So let's say intro to Excel. Then I'll click on save. And that is saved. You can see we have it here. Okay, so the name of all the title of my project is here. And then we have other controls here that I can close the program, maximize and minimum. Let's say, yeah, I can minimize it here. And yeah, so yeah, and then here gives us lots of tools to help us with formatting, and then yeah, formatting our documents. Okay, we also have these rows, and then Excel works in rows, sorry, columns and then rows. So you can see the columns are referenced with like alphabets, and then the rows are referenced with what, numerals. Okay, so the rows are horizontal, and then the alphabets are sorry, the columns are vertical. Okay, so if I click on this cell here, you can see we have what, A2. So the row, so we have, if I, yeah, we have A, okay, meaning the column, and then 2 is the row. So this is the position, kind of like a GPS coordinates, okay, just for saying sake, okay. So this cell, okay, so this particular text is in this cell, that's A1, okay, and then you can see it's being referenced in the formula bar. Okay, so I can actually change it in the formula bar. Let's say I'm just inputting it, dummy data here, or let's type ABC. Okay, so you can see we have it here. Anything you type here would also be reflected in the formula bar. Okay, so here, this is your working area, okay, or let's say your canvas. Okay, so this is where you'll be doing your things, okay, inputting data, deleting and the likes, and then some of these tools here will help you in formatting. So as we go along, we'll learn more about these tools. Okay, so we have these tools also here to also help you in doing certain things in Excel. Okay, you can insert things. So when you click on this menu, it comes with its own menus. Page layout also comes with its own menus, and then the formula also comes with its own menus. Let's go back, and here you can add more sheets. Okay, so I have sheet 1. You can double click to rename your sheets. Okay, so let's say provisions, provisions, and then this sheet, I'm going to call this sheet um, school. Okay, so you can navigate through them by just clicking them. Okay, so you can have multiples of sheets within a sheet or within a file, and then when you save it, do all save as one file in Excel. You can zoom in on your documents here. zoom in and zoom out. Okay, then these are page layouts that you can use. By default is set to this normal. Okay, yeah, so this is the intro to Excel, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.